So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the cover for the air filter. That just unscrews by hand. The same applies to the air filter. Just a wing nut which unscrews. And then it just pulls off. Okay, so now all that's removed, there's two bolts down here which just need to be unscrewed. So I've removed the two nuts. Okay, so the next step is to remove this plastic cover, and then I need to remove the fuel line, drain the fuel, and then there is a governor linkage which runs from here to on top of the carburettor, which just needs to be unhooked. So you can see I've removed the fuel line now and the governor linkage which goes to the top. So the whole lot can now just be pulled off. Make sure you don't lose the gaskets which are around here, and there'll be another one on the other side. So when you're pulling it off, be careful not to drop them, and just try not to rip them if they're in good condition.